Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online presence with Wix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your online presence with Wix, start by creating an account on the Wix website. Choose a website template that aligns with your brand and goals. Take time to explore the Wix editor for customization options. Add essential pages such as home, about, services, and contact. Incorporate high-quality images and engaging content to attract visitors. Utilize the drag-and-drop feature to easily arrange elements on your pages. Integrate social media links to connect your online presence across platforms. Set up Wix SEO tools to optimize your site for search engines. Research keywords relevant to your niche and incorporate them into your content. Consider connecting a custom domain to enhance your brand identity. Utilize the Wix App Market to add functionality to your site. Explore apps for email marketing, chat features, and analytics. Create a blog to share valuable content and engage with your audience. Regularly post articles related to your industry to keep your site fresh. Leverage Wix's built-in analytics tools to monitor performance. Analyze visitor behavior to determine which pages are most effective. Adjust your strategy based on data to improve user experience. Consider running promotional campaigns to increase traffic and engagement. Engage with visitors through Wix's live chat or contact forms. Utilize email marketing tools to reach out to potential customers. Regularly update your content to reflect any changes in your business. Collaborate with other brands or influencers to expand your reach. Encourage user-generated content to create community engagement. Host events or webinars through your site to attract more visitors. Utilize Wix's mobile optimization features for a seamless user experience. Stay informed about new Wix features and tools to enhance your site. Continually refine your content and website layout based on feedback. By implementing these steps consistently, you will successfully scale your online presence with Wix. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.